Two aespa members, Giselle and Ningning, are facing waves of negative comments on Instagram following controversy linked to Jennie at the 2025 Melon Music Awards. Both were accused by some Korean netizens of being disrespectful for not reacting during Jennie's performance. Giselle's comments were flooded with comparisons to Jennie, while Ningning was targeted with accusations of jealousy and harsh remarks about her visuals. However, netizens later noticed many of the hate comments came from newly created accounts, raising concerns of coordinated attacks. Fans have since defended Ningning, sending supportive messages to counter the hate.